What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. For this unboxing video, we have a rim for you guys. Now, this is VZN100792, as you can see on the front here. Now, the size is 20 by 11, and the bolt pattern is 5 by 15. Camber is 71.6, and the offset is 2.5, and the color is in matte black. This is our Hellcat style wide body matte black rims, and it's for the Dodge Challenger. And I believe we have a video up on our YouTube channel for an install, if you would like to see that. Now, this is also one of the rims. We offer an option of tire and rim package, meaning we install these in-house and balance them for you guys before shipping them out, if you would like to have that done. Now let me get this out of the box so we can get a closer look. Now, just like the rest of our rims, they have a cardboard insert to protect them, like so. This simply sits on the top to help protect the edges as well as the face of the rim. And then it has a plastic cover for any debris and to help prevent any scratches on the rest of the rim. Then for the face of the rim, we have a plastic rim guard to help protect the edges. Then we have a felt liner that goes over it, as well as a bit of foam to help protect everything. And this felt liner is reusable, so if you have your stock rims still, you can go ahead and put these on it to prevent any scratches or any dust debris. Now, if I move these aside, we can go ahead and get into the rim. Now, this one is our 7-spoke rim. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it's in our matte black color, which I love. It fits pretty much every single build out there. Now, of course, we have different color rims. We have silver, matte black, gray, and so on and so forth, if you need a different color to match your style. If you ordered our rim and tire package, we'll go ahead and install the valve cover or the valve stem and inflate the tires to whatever PSI is recommended for your vehicle. And we also balance them for you guys. So they're pretty much road ready and ready to install whenever you receive them. If you want to see an install video for these, go make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at vicrez.com and make sure to hit that bell and like and subscribe.